Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about division with remainder. Sounds tricky? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you will find it very easy. All right, let's start with the big idea. When we divide a number, sometimes it splits evenly and sometimes it does not split evenly. The amount that is left over has a special name. We call it the remainder. Now, here is a very important rule to remember. Quotient times divisor plus remainder equals the dividend. We will use this rule later to check our answer. Do you see? Keep this rule in your mind. Now, let's look at our worked example. Mrs. Tan has 75 sweets. She packs them equally into bags of 8 sweets each. The question asks, how many full bags can she pack and how many sweets are left over? So we need to find two things, the number of full bags and the number of leftover sweets. Let's picture this. Imagine we are scooping the sweets into bags, 8 sweets at a time. After packing, we managed to fill 9 full bags. 9 bags, each with 8 sweets, gives us 72 sweets used up. But wait, we started with 75 sweets, so there are 3 sweets left over. These 3 sweets are not enough to fill another bag of 8, so they stay as our leftover. Nice. Now we can see the answer with our own eyes. Now let's write out the working neatly, like a proper primary 3 pupil. First, we identify the dividend and the divisor. The dividend is 75, the divisor is 8. So we are doing 75 divided by 8. Next, we ask ourselves, how many 8s can fit into 75? Let's think of the multiples of 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. That fits nicely under 75. Can we go higher? 8 times 10 equals 80. Oh no, 80 is bigger than 75, so that is too many. So 9 is the largest number of 8s we can use. Now we find the remainder. 75 minus 72 equals 3. So 3 sweets are left over. We write our result like this. 75 divided by 8 equals 9, remainder 3. Finally, let's check our work using the rule from earlier. 9 times 8 plus 3 equals 72 plus 3 equals 75. Yes, it matches the original number of sweets. Our answer is correct. So what is our final answer? We must always write it in a complete sentence with units. Mrs. Tan can pack 9 full bags of sweets with 3 sweets left over. Wonderful work. Before we end, let's recap the 3 steps for division with remainder. Step 1. Find the largest multiple of the divisor that fits into the dividend. Step 2. Subtract to find the remainder. Step 3. Always check your answer using quotient times divisor plus remainder equals dividend. Remember, the remainder must always be smaller than the divisor. If it's bigger, you can still fit one more group inside. Great job today, boys and girls. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.